weeks till Christmas, and you'll be 3 years old. Look at me. December 31st. What are you going to get for Christmas this year? What are you getting for Christmas?
I want ketchup.
You'll ketchup. No, you don't want ketchup for Christmas. You want ketchup on your hot dog. But what are you going to get from Santa Claus?
I'm going to Santa Claus. I want for Christmas, please.
What do you want?
And so are you going to tell him, Santa, I want this for Christmas?
Well, what are you going to tell Santa Claus you want?
Thank you, Mom.
You're being so sweet.
Let me cut it up for
She's
you.
got such good manners, Mommy.
She does.
See Mimi's
She's on her
tree?
best behavior.
Yeah.
You want
Say
some
thank you,
ketchup?
Mommy, again.
Thank you, Mommy. I don't like hamburgers.
You love hamburgers.
I love them. They're delicious.
Do we have a hook? Extra hook?
Uh-oh, Allie, where are you going?
Don't jump on
Pick
it.
it up. Pick it
Pick it
up.
up and put it on the tree.
There's a whole bag of those right there, honey.
Where'd you get the crown? Whose outfit is that, Chrissy?
So this is Belle.
Belle. What is Belle? Is Belle a little animal?
Now Belle is Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, I never saw Beauty and the Beast.
Say, I got that for Christmas. You'll have to watch it with me.
Look how pretty she is. What is that little thing she's putting on?
That's the piece for Cinderella's headpiece.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Your little kitchen's nice, Allie. What are you doing?
I put together this steamer thing, dryer thing.
Isn't that the same thing I used to have? Pretty Barbie. Mimi's got Barbies that I'm going to show you one day. Okay?
Show her your Cinderella shoes.
Look at those Cinderella shoes. Aren't they beautiful? They are so... Who gave you that pretty outfit? Yeah. What is this in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What is it?
Christmas clothes.
Christmas. Who gave you that?
Never did.
Candy gave you that.
Yeah, Candy does it.
Okay. Allie?
A scooter.
Who gave you the scooter?
Santa does did.
Who just helped you take a bath?
Mimi does did.
Okay, let's see you ride it. Come on. Whee! Can you show me what else you got for Christmas? Show me.
A scooter.
Well,
Now, I'm hoping Haley.
You doing what?
I'm hoping Haley.
Okay, sweet girl, Leah. Look at Allie helping Haley. God bless you, honey.
This is from Haley.
Where's from Haley? Haley.
Okay, pull it out. What is it? Oh, I like this, Allie. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at it. It's a raincoat.
Haley and Catherine used to play this all the time, Allie. Guess what it is?
I think this for me.
Oh, hi-ho Cheerio.
Do you have that?
No, we don't have it. I never had this game, but I've played it.
It's Hi-Ho Cheerio.
Yes, it's a game.
It's for me.
It's for you.
What do you say to me?
Thank you.
Allie, give Mama a kiss. What's her present?
This is to my mom.
What did you get, Mama?
I put it.
Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is.
If you don't like it, it's not
Allie, how old will you be? When's Santa coming? Tonight?
Here he comes. He's coming to get me.
No, he's not.
Oh, that's a boy. Oh, boy.
Allie.
Who are you looking?
I'm looking for Santa Claus. He's up here.
What's he gonna do?
He's coming to get me.
And he bringing you presents?
Here it comes.
Now you gotta totally get it. It says battery's low.
It was Josh.
Jumped.
It was Josh. I'm running from Santa.
Where is he?